What if I told you that the way you brew your coffee could completely change how it tastes, like going from average cafe coffee to a premium barista experience right at home? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what pour-over brewing can do. And in 2026, these coffee makers are smarter, more stylish, and more powerful than ever before. So if you're serious about flavor, aroma, and that perfect morning cup, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best pour-over coffee makers in 2026, comparing them side by side so you can easily decide which one fits your style. And remember, all the links are in the description so you can check them out anytime. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Starting off at number 5, we have the Bodum 34-ounce pour-over coffee maker. And honestly, this is one of the best entry points into the world of pour-over coffee. If you're someone who wants that rich, full-bodied coffee without spending a fortune, this one delivers incredible value. The first thing you'll notice is its clean, minimal design with a borosilicate glass carafe that doesn't absorb flavors, meaning every brew tastes fresh and pure. Compared to higher-end options like the Chemex, the Bodum takes a completely different approach by using a reusable stainless steel filter instead of paper filters. And here's where things get interesting, because unlike the Chemex, which gives you a super clean, light cup, the Bodum allows natural oils to pass through, resulting in a much richer and heavier flavor. So if you love bold coffee, this might actually beat more expensive options for your taste preference. Now, compared to something like the Cosori at number 3, the Bodum's filter isn't as refined. So you might notice a bit more sediment at the bottom of your cup, especially if your grind isn't right. But for many coffee lovers, that's a small trade-off for the depth of flavor you get. It's also super easy to use and clean, making it perfect for beginners who don't want anything complicated. However, it's not as travel-friendly as the Divi at number 4, and it doesn't have the precision control you'd get when pairing with an electric kettle like our number 2 pick. Still, for the price, this thing is hard to beat. So if you're on a budget and want a simple, eco-friendly, and flavorful brewing experience, the Bodum is a fantastic choice. What do you think? Do you prefer bold coffee or clean coffee? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. At number 4, we've got something completely different. The Divi Dual Cup Pour-Over Coffee Dripper. And this one is all about convenience and practicality. Imagine being able to brew 2 cups of coffee at the same time without even needing a carafe. That's exactly what this clever design does. Compared to the Bodum, which focuses on flavor depth with its metal filter, the Divi uses paper filters, giving you a much cleaner and smoother cup, more similar to what you'd get from the Chemex at number 1. But here's the twist, it's way more portable and durable. Made from BPA-free Triton plastic, this thing is basically unbreakable, making it perfect for travel, camping, or even just busy mornings when you don't want to deal with fragile glass. Now, compared to the Cosori at number 3, the Divi sacrifices that premium look and larger batch brewing for speed and simplicity. You won't get the same rich body as metal filter systems, but you will get a crisp, sediment-free cup every time. And compared to the electric kettle at number 2, this is more about the brewing tool itself rather than precision pouring, so you'll need to control your water flow manually. The biggest advantage here is versatility. You can brew for yourself or share instantly without extra steps. The downside? You'll need to keep buying paper filters, which adds to long-term cost. But if convenience, portability, and clean taste matter most to you, this is an awesome pick. So let me ask you, would you trade a bit of flavor depth for this level of convenience? Number 3. Coming in at number 3, the Cosori 34 ounce. pour-over Coffeemaker strikes what might be the perfect balance between flavor, design, and usability. If you felt like the Bodum was too basic and the DV was too minimal, this is where things start to feel premium without getting overly expensive. The standout feature here is its dual-layer stainless steel filter, which is a huge upgrade over the Bodum's single-layer design. What that means for you is less sediment in your cup while still keeping those rich oils that give coffee its depth, basically the best of both worlds. Compared to the Chemex, it still produces a fuller-bodied cup, but it's noticeably cleaner than most metal filter brewers. And compared to the Diave, this is more of a home setup, designed for brewing larger batches in a stylish glass carafe rather than quick single servings. Another thing I really like is the silicone sleeve. It's way more practical than cork because it's easier to clean and more durable, especially if you're using it daily or even taking it outdoors. Performance-wise, the Cosori slows down the water flow just enough to give you a more balanced extraction, which honestly makes it feel like a more controlled and refined brewing experience compared to cheaper options. Now, if you pair this with the electric kettle at number 2, you're unlocking its full potential with precise pouring control. So while it may not have the iconic status of the Chemex, it arguably offers better practicality and less ongoing costs since you don't need paper filters. If you're looking for a long-term, all-rounder coffee maker, this one is seriously hard to beat. So what do you think? Is this the perfect middle ground? Number 2. At number 2, we have something that might not be a coffee maker itself, but is absolutely essential if you want to level up your pour-over game. The Cosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle. And here's a bold statement. Without proper water control, even the best coffee maker won't give you the best results. That's where this kettle completely changes the game. Compared to using a regular kettle with something like the Bodum or Divi, the difference in precision is night and day. The Gooseneck spout gives you total control over your pour, allowing you to evenly saturate the coffee grounds and nail that perfect bloom phase. And unlike manual kettles, this one heats water incredibly fast and offers multiple temperature presets, which is huge because different coffee beans actually require different temperatures for optimal flavor. When compared to premium options like the fellow Stag EKG, the Cosori keeps things simple and practical. You don't get ultra-fine temperature control, but honestly, the preset buttons make it much faster and easier to use, especially in the morning. It also pairs beautifully with every product on this list, from the clean precision of the Chemex to the rich extraction of the Cosori brewer at number 3. The build quality is excellent too, with no plastic contact inside, so your water stays pure. If you're serious about coffee, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a necessity. So let me ask you, are you currently using a regular kettle or have you already made the switch to a gooseneck? Number 1. And finally, at number 1, we have the legendary Chemex Classic Series 8-cup pour-over coffee maker. And there's a reason this has remained a gold standard for decades. If your top priority is the cleanest, most refined cup of coffee possible, nothing on this list does it better. Unlike the Bodum or Cosori, which use metal filters and allow oils to pass through, the Chemex uses thick paper filters that remove almost everything except the pure flavor of the coffee itself. The result? A light, smooth, and incredibly crisp cup that really highlights subtle tasting notes, especially if you're into specialty coffee. Compared to the Divi, it's less about convenience and more about experience. This is something you take your time with, and yes, it's more fragile and requires paper filters, which adds cost over time. But what you get in return is unmatched clarity in every sip. The design is also iconic. It's not just a coffee maker, it's a statement piece. When paired with the Kosori kettle at number 2, you get absolute control over every aspect of brewing, making it a dream setup for coffee enthusiasts. Now, if you prefer bold, heavy coffee, you might actually prefer the Bodum or Kosori brewer instead. But if you want the cleanest, most professional quality cup, the Chemex easily takes the top spot. So tell me, are you team bold coffee or team clean coffee? So there you have it, the 5 best pour-over coffee makers in 2026, each one bringing something unique to the table depending on your style, taste, and daily routine. Whether you want convenience, portability, rich flavor, or ultimate precision, there's a perfect option here for you. And remember, all the links are in the description, so you can check out each product in detail. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which one you'd choose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy brewing!